To install the RefWorks app on your Google Doc, click Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and type in RefWorks. Select Progress RefWorks. Now I have this add-on already installed, but if you don't have it, you can click Install here. After you install it, it will appear in Add-ons right here. Click Manage Citations, and your RefWorks panel pops up. I'm already logged in, but if you're not, log in with your credentials. Select your folder from the drop-down menu here. Make sure you have the right citation style set by clicking the gear icon. Change citation style. And this is your current citation style. If you need to change citation styles, type in your citation style in the search box. I'm fine with the current selection, so I'm going to close this out. And when you're ready to cite, click Cite This. And you can also click Edit and Cite, which gives you some in-text citation editing capabilities. I found this Edit and Cite a little quirky, so in case this doesn't work for you, you can always edit your citation manually.